Ready?
Wait, yeah, there you go. What is it, Sparky?
What you got? What you got? Huh? Go ahead.
Can you get it, Spark?
This one might be a little too hard though.
Yeah, we did like not even wrap those before.
Get a better shot.
Keep going, Plug. Yeah, get it. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that was a good one. Keep going, little Plug. Oh, what is it?
Oh, it squeaks. I'm gonna have to disconnect that.
You're gonna help her get it out, huh?
No. It's her favorite part. Let her enjoy it. See, the present's already out. She just wants to rip the paper.
Yeah, but I don't know what the present is. I want to see.
Alright, Spark, you're making too big of a mess.
What you got there?
Oh, what is that?
What you got?
Oh, it's cute. Do you like that? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, yeah, and you got yourself a winner. Oh.
Let's go rip some more paper.
Well, that
Right,
is your
on,
favorite part.
Come on.
She'll like the toy as soon as the
Silly
paper's
dog.
gone. Oh, yeah, she's carrying it. She likes it.
No more.
So, yeah, another winner.
Snort.
And in case you're wondering, her shirt says "In the Dog's Life," and it's really cute. And there she goes off to play.